welcome to Crypto Coders. This is our C++ tutorial series, and in this video we will learn about increment and decrement operators. Let's create a new file t5.cpp and I'll write down the basic structure. So increment and decrement operators and decrement operators. It's a very simple concept. Increment operator increments the value of a variable by 1. Similarly, decrement operator decreases the value of a variable by 1. So let's declare two variables, int a, and we'll assign it the value of 10, and int b, we'll give it 20. So increment of a variable is done by writing the variable name, and we'll put 2 plus signs, and this is how increment operator works. So let's display it. First I'll display the value of a as it is. Value of a is, we display the value, and then we'll apply the increment operator a++, and then we'll display the value of incremented value of a. Value of a after applying increment operator. So let's see what happens. Value of a is 10, and value of a after applying increment operator is equal to 11. So you can see the value has been incremented by 1. Now if we apply the decrement operator, a minus minus, and now we display the decremented value. We'll copy this line, paste it after applying decrement operator. Okay, sorry, I forgot to put an endl. So the value of a is 10 at the start. Value of a after applying increment operator becomes 11. And then after 11 we applied decrement operator, it becomes 10 again. So what is happening behind this operator? I'll show you a poster that I made. We'll also learn a bit about the assignment operator through this. Assignment operator is our equal to sign. So what happens in an assignment operator is that the value written on the right side of the assignment operator, that value is copied to the variable on the left. So the value 10 will be copied to a. So a will be equal to 10. Because it goes from right to left, value of a cannot be copied into 10 because 10 is a constant and its value cannot be changed. So writing it like this is not allowed. In this example, we can see that it is 10 plus 2. So what will happen is 10 plus 2 will be calculated. It will be 12, and then the value 12 will be copied into a. And another rule is that a is equal to b is not equal to b is equal to a. This is because in this part, the value of b, whatever it will be copied into a. After copying, it will be equal, but this is not the same thing as this, because here the value of a will be copied into b. So these are not equal. So what happens in an increment operator is that behind this a++, this operation is taking place. We take the value of a, we add 1 to it, and then this whole the right side is assigned to a. So for example, we have a is equal to 10. 10 will come over here in the place of a. It will be calculated. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11, and then 11 will be copied into a. Similarly, in decrement operator, a is equal to a minus 1. If the value was 10, 10 will come here, 10 minus 1, 9, and 9 will be copied into a. So this is what's happening behind the curtains with this operator. Now there is a small concept of post-increment and pre-increment. Pre-increment and post-increment. So the way to write pre and post-increment is that pre-increment, the plus signs comes before the variable, while in post-increment, as you've seen before, the plus sign come after the variable name. Similarly with the post and pre-decrement. Decrement, and we'll change the signs to minus. So the board do basically the same job, but there is a small difference. I'll show that to you by application. I've written a small code, I'll copy it here. For example, A was equal to 10 and B was equal to 20 before. So we are applying the pre-increment operator on A here. As we can see, 2 plus signs before A, and we are applying post-increment operator on B. So variable name is B, and after that there are 2 plus signs. Let's run it. Wait a minute, I'll just comment this out and I'll run again. Here you can see the value of A has been incremented to 11, from 10 to 11, but the value of B was same. This is because in pre-increment, the value is incremented before it is displayed. So here the value was incremented and then it was displayed. But in the second part, the post-increment, the value is first displayed, then it is incremented. So after this was displayed, here 20, it was incremented after the execution. So if we display the B after the execution of this line, it will, you can see that it will be incremented here. Here you can see the value of B is 21. So there is a very small difference that here it is displayed before it is incremented. Here it is incremented before it is displayed. So the incremented value is displayed, but here it isn't. This was it for this video. If you like the video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.